Basically, what we do with the laser is that we can create patterns, moustache patterns. We can create patterns for brakes. When you do the brakes, then you burn the fabric with even higher intensity compared to when you only fade the fabric. And that's basically what you do technically. You can define down to each millimeter what you want to do with the garment, meaning that right here you can go really intense on the laser and then keep it untouched just next to it, and it really gives a very unique appearance. And you can do the authentic direction, or you can go a bit more into this artistic, artificial direction, which we have also done on the Low Impact Denim collection. It's really up to your mind what you want to do, meaning that it's your mind that puts the limits to what the laser can do.